Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Confirm the exact card code and the Google account email you'll redeem to, and make sure you have the purchase receipt handy. Once done, toggle your connection, Wi-Fi off then on, or use mobile data to eliminate flaky networks. Also check your Play Store account country and payment profile, because if they differ, Google blocks redemption. Change region only if you legitimately moved. This quick triage saves time and prevents errors from simple mismatches. Next, clear the Play Store cache and data to remove corrupted temp files, then restart the device. This often fixes token or UI issues. Make sure Google Play Store and Google Play services are updated. Outdated binaries cause validation failures. If the app still fails, open an incognito browser or desktop and use the official redeem page to bypass app-specific bugs. Also try a different device or network to isolate whether the problem is device, app, or account related before escalating to finish, reboot the device and wait a few minutes for account sync, then retry redeeming the card. If it still fails, gather evidence. Photo of the card, receipt, card code, and the Google account email, and contact Google support for manual resolution. If Google cannot validate the code, contact the retailer for a refund or replacement. Retailers can often reissue or refund defective cards. If you run into persistent errors, make sure to mention exact error messages and the troubleshooting steps you already took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.